Did you know that just 1 teaspoon of baking soda daily can transform your health? It's true. This simple, common kitchen ingredient offers incredible benefits you might never have imagined. From soothing digestive issues like acid reflux to improving your stamina during exercise, baking soda is so much more than what you use in baking. For example, I recently spoke with a friend who struggled with low energy and constant indigestion. When he started incorporating just a small amount of baking soda into his daily routine, the changes were unbelievable. He felt lighter, his energy levels improved, and even his workouts became easier. Curious about how it works and what it can do for you? Stay tuned as we dive into the surprising ways this humble ingredient can improve your body, your energy, and even your overall health. Baking soda, a simple, natural ingredient that's been sitting in your kitchen all along, has amazing properties you might not have fully appreciated. This humble compound, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is inexpensive, widely available, and incredibly versatile. What makes baking soda so powerful is its strong alkaline nature. In simpler terms, it helps balance the pH levels in your body. And maintaining a healthy pH balance is absolutely crucial for your overall health. You might be wondering, what does pH have to do with health? Well, a balanced pH impacts everything, from digestion and circulation to inflammation control. Let's break it down. For example, if your body is too acidic, you may experience chronic fatigue, poor digestion, or even higher levels of inflammation. By introducing a bit of baking soda into your routine, you can help your body maintain a more neutral pH level, which promotes better overall function. Now, imagine the possibilities. What if this little ingredient could improve your digestion, alleviate symptoms of urinary tract issues, boost your stamina during exercise, and even give your skin a healthier glow? Sounds intriguing, right? Stay with me as we uncover exactly how baking soda can positively impact different areas of your health, and how you can use it safely and effectively in your daily routine. One of the remarkable health benefits of baking soda is its ability to support urinary health. For many people, especially men as they age, urinary health can become a persistent concern. Issues like urinary tract infections, UTIs, or discomfort due to acidity in urine are surprisingly common but often overlooked. So, how does baking soda help? It all comes down to its alkaline properties. When your urine becomes too acidic, it creates an environment where harmful bacteria can thrive, leading to infections or irritation. By consuming baking soda, you can neutralize this acidity, making your urinary tract less hospitable to bacteria and reducing the risk of infections. Here's an easy way to incorporate it into your routine. Simply dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda into 240 milliliters, about 8 ounces, of water. Drink this mixture on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning before breakfast. This allows your body to absorb and utilize it most effectively. I've seen this work firsthand. A friend of mine, who used to struggle with recurring urinary issues, started using this method. Within just a few weeks, he noticed significant improvements, less discomfort, fewer trips to the restroom at night, and even an increase in overall energy levels because his body wasn't constantly fighting off low-grade infections. However, it's crucial to pair this habit with adequate hydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day not only enhances the effects of baking soda but also supports your kidneys in flushing out toxins effectively. Remember, moderation is key. Overdoing it can lead to imbalances or even potential side effects, so stick to this small yet impactful dose. And as always, consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your routine. But if done correctly, this simple practice could make a noticeable difference in your daily comfort and overall urinary health. One of the lesser-known but powerful benefits of baking soda is its role in enhancing men's health. Let's break this down into 2 key areas: improved circulation and hormone support. First, let's talk about circulation. Good blood flow is vital for many aspects of health, including erectile function. Over time, inflammation in the blood vessels can cause restricted blood flow, which may lead to issues like erectile dysfunction, ED. Baking soda, with its natural anti-inflammatory and alkalizing properties, can help reduce this vascular inflammation, promoting better circulation. Imagine how this could positively impact not just specific concerns like ED but also overall energy levels and heart health. Next is hormone support, specifically testosterone. A body that is too acidic can lead to chronic inflammation and hormonal imbalances. By neutralizing excess acidity, baking soda creates a more optimal environment for hormonal function. Testosterone is critical for maintaining muscle mass, energy levels, mood stability, and libido, especially as men age. So how can you incorporate baking soda into your routine to maximize these benefits? One effective method is combining it with antioxidant-rich foods like berries, spinach, or even green tea. For example, you can mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water, pair it with a smoothie packed with spinach and blueberries, or drink it alongside your antioxidant-rich meals. I've seen remarkable results from this simple practice. A family friend, who was in his late 50s, felt constantly fatigued and struggled with low energy. After making small changes, like adding baking soda and focusing on a nutrient-rich diet, he not only noticed improvements in his vitality but also felt more balanced emotionally. Of course, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before introducing baking soda into your daily routine, particularly if you're on medication or managing health conditions. But for many, this small adjustment could be a game changer for men's health. When it comes to exercise performance, many of us are always looking for that extra edge, something simple and natural that can help us push through a challenging workout. Believe it or not, baking soda can be a game changer for this purpose. Here's how it works. During intense physical activity, your muscles produce lactic acid, which can lead to that familiar burning sensation and fatigue. Baking soda acts as a buffer, neutralizing the lactic acid and reducing its impact on your muscles. This means you can train harder and longer without hitting that wall so quickly. For instance, imagine you're running a 5K or lifting weights. That lactic acid buildup often slows you down or makes your muscles feel stiff. But with baking soda, you're essentially giving your body a head start by maintaining a better pH balance. This is why some athletes swear by it as a natural performance booster. Now, how should you use it? Start small. Begin with half a teaspoon of baking soda mixed in a glass of water. Drink this about 30 minutes to an hour before your workout. It's essential to start with a small amount because too much baking soda can sometimes cause digestive discomfort. Once your body adjusts, you can gradually increase the dosage if needed, but always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare provider if you're unsure. A friend of mine who's an avid cyclist started using this method during his long rides. He noticed a significant improvement in his endurance, especially on uphill climbs. Not only did he recover faster, but he also felt less muscle soreness afterward. So, if you're looking to level up your workouts naturally, baking soda might be the simple and affordable solution you've been searching for. Just remember, consistency and moderation are key. Many of us have experienced the discomfort of acid reflux or heartburn, those moments when a meal just doesn't sit right and you feel that burning sensation creeping up your chest. Baking soda can be a natural remedy for these issues, providing quick relief by neutralizing excess stomach acid. Here's how it works. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline, meaning it can counteract the acidity in your stomach. When you mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and drink it, the solution reacts with the stomach acid, forming water and carbon dioxide. This reaction can help soothe the burning sensation almost immediately. For instance, a close friend of mine used to struggle with severe heartburn after dinner. By drinking a glass of water mixed with half a teaspoon of baking soda, he found quick relief and was able to sleep peacefully through the night. However, it's essential to understand that while baking soda can provide temporary relief, it's not a cure for chronic acid reflux or other digestive conditions. Now, a word of caution: baking soda should be used in moderation. Overusing it can disrupt the natural acid balance in your stomach, leading to other digestive issues or even kidney stress if consumed excessively. I recommend using it only as an occasional remedy, not a daily habit. And as always, if you experience frequent or severe symptoms, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider. In short, baking soda can be a lifesaver for those moments when acid reflux hits, but like all remedies, it works best when used wisely and sparingly. Combine this with a balanced diet and healthy eating habits, and you're setting yourself up for better digestive health overall. Beyond its health benefits, baking soda has gained a reputation as an incredible tool for enhancing personal care and beauty. It's an affordable and versatile ingredient that can improve your skincare routine and overall hygiene naturally. Let's start with its role in combating fungal infections. Baking soda's alkaline properties help to balance skin pH, making it harder for fungi to thrive. A simple remedy involves mixing 1 tablespoon of baking soda with water to create a paste, which you can apply to areas affected by mild fungal infections, like athlete's foot or toenail fungus. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Many people I've spoken with, including a friend who dealt with persistent nail issues, found noticeable improvement after just a few weeks of use. Next, baking soda works wonders as a natural deodorizer. By neutralizing acidic compounds in sweat, it helps to reduce body odor without the need for harsh chemicals found in traditional deodorants. You can apply a small amount of baking soda under your arms or mix it with a few drops of water to create a paste. Just remember to test it on a small area of skin first, as its alkalinity can be irritating for some individuals. Additionally, baking soda can be a fantastic exfoliant for your skin. Its fine texture gently removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. For example, mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with your favorite facial cleanser creates an effective exfoliating scrub. Use it once or twice a week to avoid over-exfoliating. For those seeking brighter skin, baking soda can also help to lighten dark spots or even out skin tone. Combine a teaspoon of baking soda with lemon juice to make a paste, but always ensure to use sunscreen afterward, as lemon can make your skin sensitive to sunlight. Lastly, baking soda can help soften calluses on hands and feet. Soak the affected areas in a mixture of warm water and 3 tablespoons of baking soda for about 15 minutes. It's an excellent way to pamper yourself at home while maintaining healthy skin. Baking soda's applications go far beyond the kitchen. It's a natural, cost-effective solution for improving skin health, reducing odor, and even alleviating minor fungal infections. Just remember, as with anything, moderation and proper testing are key to avoiding irritation or overuse. Let me share with you an inspiring story about one of my friends, Mr. Min, a man in his mid-50s who struggled with persistent heartburn, poor sleep quality, and rising blood pressure. Mr. Min tried various remedies and medications but never found a sustainable solution, until he started incorporating baking soda into his daily routine. After hearing about the potential benefits of baking soda, Mr. Min began his journey cautiously. Every morning, he mixed half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drank it on an empty stomach. Within a few weeks, he noticed a remarkable improvement. His heartburn episodes decreased significantly, his sleep became more restful, and his blood pressure readings started to stabilize. The key, as Mr. Min discovered, wasn't just the baking soda, it was also about adopting a balanced lifestyle. He paired this simple remedy with a nutritious diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. He also made sure to stay active by taking daily walks and practicing mindfulness to manage stress. The science behind his success lies in the alkaline nature of baking soda, which can help balance pH levels in the body. By neutralizing excess acidity, it not only alleviated his digestive issues but also supported his cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation in the blood vessels. If you're considering adding baking soda to your routine, here are a few tips. Always start with a small dose, such as half a teaspoon, and gradually increase if needed. Pair it with a nutrient-rich diet and regular exercise for maximum benefits. And most importantly, consult with your doctor, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medication. Like Mr. Min, you too can experience the transformative benefits of small, consistent changes. The key is patience and pairing baking soda with an overall healthy lifestyle. It's not a miracle cure, but when used correctly, it can be a powerful tool for enhancing your well-being. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the power of something as simple and accessible as baking soda. It's incredible to think that such a humble kitchen ingredient can have such a profound impact on our health when used correctly. From improving urinary health to enhancing exercise performance, aiding digestion, and even promoting better skin, baking soda offers a multitude of benefits. But remember, the key is balance and informed usage. Overusing it or ignoring your body's unique needs can lead to potential risks, so always use it responsibly. The real magic lies not just in baking soda itself, but in the small, consistent changes we make to improve our lifestyle. When paired with a nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, and mindful living, baking soda becomes more than just a remedy, it's a tool for achieving a healthier, more vibrant life. I encourage you to take what you've learned today and apply it thoughtfully. Whether it's adding a teaspoon to your morning routine, using it as a post-workout boost, or exploring its skincare benefits, let baking soda be part of a bigger journey toward better health. If this video has inspired you or provided valuable insights, I'd love for you to support the channel. Hit the like button, share this video with someone who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and wellness strategies. Together, let's continue discovering simple yet powerful ways to live healthier, more joyful lives. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.